Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Just popping in here with a short video today to announce something that I'm really excited to be sharing with you coming soon. Starting September 1st, I am going to be launching my September SEO Basics series. That's a lot of S's. This is a series of videos that I'm going to be releasing every Friday in September covering some SEO basics. And when I was starting out in the online business world a few years ago, I didn't know a thing about SEO. And I spent a lot of time searching the internet, taking courses, trying to find information to try to understand SEO so I could help build my businesses. So what I'm doing with this series is trying to build a bit of a resource that I wish I'd had back then and hope that you will find it helpful as well. This is going to be a series of videos that are going to cover the basics of SEO. So we're not going to get into the weeds and go all into the major detail and intricacies of SEO. In this series, I am going to be covering the basics, things at a high level, simple, and actionable, to take away the confusion and the overwhelm that sometimes comes when you're trying to understand and learn something that can be as complex as SEO. But we're going to take it up a level and give you things that will help you start your journey with confidence and ease. So the videos are going to include the basics. What is SEO? What's on-page versus off-page versus local SEO? We'll cover the basics of keywords. What are they, where to find them, and great tools to use in your keyword research. And of course, being a Squarespace web designer, I will be spending at least one video sharing with you how to manage SEO with your Squarespace website, how to set up the SEO settings in your Squarespace website, and some other helpful tips and tricks you may not know about. And of course, along the way, I'll be sharing with you a lot of helpful tools, tricks, and links to other resources to help you continue on your SEO learning journey. So I hope you'll join me every Friday in September for this short but useful video series all about SEO basics. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so you can make sure that you don't miss any of these important videos. Thanks so much, and I'll see you in September.